Hey guys, here's another video for you guys. Sorry for the delay on the uploads. I'm just going through a lot of personal, emotional stuff right now, so that's why I'm barely uploading. But I promise I will upload more. And here's some sneezing.